Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Chevy Malibu key fob. First, understand that there are generally two ways to get a new fob working, either through a do-it-yourself method or by seeking professional assistance. Your specific Malibu model and whether you have an existing working key will determine the best approach. Always ensure your new key fob is compatible with your vehicle before starting. For some Chevy Malibu models, you can program a new key fob yourself. Typically, this involves a sequence of actions like inserting your existing key, turning the ignition to the on position, and pressing specific buttons on the new fob. The exact steps vary by model year, so consult your owner's manual or reliable online resources. Always test the new fob immediately to confirm it locks and unlocks your doors. If DIY programming isn't an option for your Malibu, or if you've lost all your keys, professional help is necessary. Dealerships and automotive locksmiths have specialized equipment to program new key fobs securely. This service typically costs between $50 and $150, depending on your vehicle and location. They ensure the new fob is correctly linked to your car's security system. When replacing your key fob, always double-check its compatibility with your specific Chevy Malibu model to avoid issues. Opting for an OEM or original equipment manufacturer, key fob often provides the most reliable performance and seamless integration. Remember, a working key fob is crucial for convenience and vehicle security. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.